Reality check, man, from a year device, you know, it's aromatic realistic TV, you know. You know, so me sit down in my car and me have all the meds. And it's like me, I said to myself, so boy, do some evaluation on Jamaica, you know. When I saw I go on. I said the biggest threat to Jamaica right now is the media. The biggest threat to Jamaica is the media. See, not even the politician them, but the media. And when I say media, I'm talking the CVM, the TVJ, the Nationwide, the Observer, the Gleaner. The media is there as a watchdog for the citizen of Jamaica. Free press. You're not supposed to wrap up in a bed with no individual. They are there as a buffer between the government and the citizen. The media is there to keep the government on its toes. The media is there to keep the citizen of Jamaica informed. The media is there to let out the government secret. But if you notice, the media choose what they want to highlight. I want to know if you look back when a Vybz Kartel trial when I take place. Nationwide try Vybz Kartel and convict Vybz Kartel, you know, before him trial, you know. Me say when Vybz Kartel trial when I take place, Nationwide radio station try Vybz Kartel and sentence him before the case. Call up before the jury this shit. Ninja Man, the same thing. Nationwide. The CVM, the TVJ, the Gleaner, the Observer. Them pick and choose what them want to publish. So if you notice it, when some crime, it out there. Some little thief, it out there. You understand? But the real issue, one day, and them drop it and them gone. A rural read, what thief millions away from the education ministry, from our youths. A Grace McLean who thief millions again from the education ministry, from our youths. And we have youths, they go to school and can't get lunch because them say no money no dead in the feeding program to give the youth them, the vulnerable, the reject, the deplorable, the low income of our society. You see what I mean? Bobby Montague, millions to buy police used car, and no car can't present. Christopher Tufton, 400 million missing under this man watch in the heights of the pandemic when the Jamaican people were at their worst. Don't know where to turn. Turn on the yard. You get 750 million loan from the Inter-American Development Bank, the World Bank, and the IMF, International Monetary Fund. And they didn't give the people of Jamaica. And the media now sit down upon this and bring the awareness to the Jamaican people of what is taking place. The Integrity Commission find the Prime Minister guilty when he was the Minister of Education. They found him guilty of crime. You understand? So, you find the PSOJ, the private sector of Jamaica, run out And them never fi do it this way and them never fi do it that way. Some member of his GLP party run out and say they shouldn't have do it this way or that way. But we who have sense, we who can comprehend, know the fact, say the man guilty, him not get where. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, him not get where. So no make them fool, you know. So the media know what they want to push. Anytime I something towards the lower end of Jamaica, it's out there. But when you to hold the government accountable, to be the watchdog for the people, to be the buffer between the government and the citizen, to carry the government secret, come tell the citizen of Jamaica, keep the government on them toes, make the government have to think twice before them do something. The Prime Minister and him crew, they bought the media out. So if you notice, them mouth hush hush. Like some little lap dog. You know the little poodle dog them? Yeah. That's the Jamaican media. Like the poodle dog them. Lap dog for Andrew Holness administration. So I say before and I will say again, the media in Jamaica is the biggest threat to the citizen of Jamaica because they are in bed with the government. And they fail to hold the government accountable. They fail to hold the government foot to the fire. After so many wrongs, so many corruption, with this Andrew Holness administration, the latest one is the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where in 2007, they approved $1.3 billion for refurbishing and renovation of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. And we are in 2023 now, 6 years later, and that program is still in limbo. And to see him go walk out now and want to come give it like it's a fresh idea, something new he might come with. And say this project will complete in 2025. It's gonna take him 8 years to do some refurbish and some renovation and a hospital, while the people of Western Jamaica is sitting down in limbo, waiting for this facility, in need of it. That's what I'm saying, in need of this facility. But because it's for the poor, there is no need, and we can overrun and thief and misspend and mismanage taxpayers' money. And the media is nowhere to be found. I said the biggest threat to the Jamaican people is the media, the CVM, the TVJ, the Nationwide, the Observer, the Gleaner. I know some people want to feel away and say, you don't know why I'm a talk, say. But I'm not here for you to feel good. I'm here to tell the truth. I'm not here to compromise. Somehow you won't get it and somehow you won't understand. Because you only get to the news from the TV or on the radio station. Somehow you don't know them better. Because at the end of the day, you can't comprehend. You just project whatever you told. That's why you take. You understand? Gospel to no ears. Gospel to no ears. Because what you don't know. And when you don't know, you have to believe in what I said. And by you believing what I said, I convert you to believe in me. Because you don't know better. And that's what the media do to a lot of you people. You understand? So the thing set. But we just there the meds. And that we come up with. Much love, you know. stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV, man. Walk good and live good, Jamaican. Tell them, say, God and good road. I'm out.